In this AREview feature video, we will be discussing our inspection photo library. To access the photo library, simply click the photo icon in the upper left corner. From there, the photo library will open up. You'll be able to view and see all of your photos that have been uploaded or added via our mobile app to this bridge section. If you need to upload more photos, or if no photos came in from the mobile app, simply hit the plus button in the upper left corner. From there, you'll be able to access your folders, and from there, you'll be able just to simply click and grab as many photos as you'd like and add them to the section. You'll see if you had any rejected photos or any repeated photos or the number of photos that you're trying to upload. Simply hit the check mark and it'll load up. So right now it's syncing the new photos. So it added the new photos here. You'll easily be able to see them. What you can also do for photos is view them larger. If you want to zoom in, it'll actually open up an entire new tab so you can see exactly what you're looking for. You'll also see certain stats for each photo. If it is attached to any recommendations, conditions, general notes, or work performed, or as well as the inspection year, the date it was uploaded, and who actually uploaded the photo. If you would like to tag your photo to get more specific with it, you can hit the edit button right here. You can come in and add a structure type to it. You can add an assembly, so where it is, even a component here, and then simply save that and close out of the modal, and you'll see right here that it has been structured, that it has been tagged. The cool thing about the tags is if you are looking for specific photos, you can quickly filter down to what you are looking for. So now you'll see that this photo shows up in the filter because of its tag.